Cape Town cried that night. The mountain disappeared in the rain, and somewhere in the darkness people lost everything. The wind came screaming down the avenue, tearing through the roofs that families once knew. Children holding candles in the freezing dark, listening to the thunder tearing worlds apart. The rain kept falling like a river from the sky. Mothers held their babies while the elders cried. Photos floating through the muddy water streams, years of love washed away like broken dreams. From the Cape Flats to the mountains by the sea, pain was written on the face of every street. People standing barefoot in the pouring rain, trying to stay strong through the hurt and pain. And the cold wind whispered, we all need somebody. When tomorrow feels broken, love is all we carry. Brothers, sisters, now's the time to stand together, heart to heart in line. When the storm takes homes away, we become the light in somebody's day. Lift each other when the world falls down. From every corner here in Cape Town, one small hand can heal somebody's pain. After the storm, we rise again. Yet somehow people still carried on. Neighbors opening doors with soup and bread, sharing warmth and prayers instead. Young men helping elders through the flood, strangers becoming family through the mud. And I saw humanity in the darkest hour, not in money, fame or power, but in every soul who chose to care when hopeless people needed someone there. So if you've got a little, give a little. If you've got strength, help rebuild, because one act of kindness can save a broken spirit. Cape Town, hear me now, we don't abandon our own. Brothers, sisters, now's the time to stand together, heart to heart in line. Through the heartbreak and the rain, we will help each other heal again. No storm can wash our love away, no wind can break the hope we save. From the ashes, from the pain, Cape Town will rise again. Cape Town will rise again. Oh.